The fourth method for solving quadratic equations is the quadratic formula. So for this method, we want to have everything on one side and 0 on the other. And then we can just plug the a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So on question 19, my first step is to move everything to the left and then have 0 on the right. Next, I'm going to identify my a, b, and c. Then I'm going to plug these into the quadratic formula. Now, when I'm writing the quadratic formula, I like to put open parentheses for all of the variables. So whenever you're plugging in numbers for variables, there's always an implied parentheses. And if you don't put them, then it can lead to mistakes, specifically here and here. Okay, so I'm going to plug these in. And then I want to simplify. So this is going to be negative 4 plus or minus the square root of, and if you type the inside of the radical into your calculator, that is 56. And this is over 4. So then we can simplify that radical. The largest perfect square that divides into 56 is 4, and that would be 4 times 14. And then the square root of 4 is 2. And then I want to split up the fraction. And then I want to reduce both fractions. So x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 14 over 2. And if you want to write those as separate answers, you could. So that is your answer.